Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for management accounting step by step. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts. Management accounting helps businesses make informed decisions, so grasp its purpose. Familiarize yourself with key terms like fixed costs versus variable costs, and learn how they impact financial outcomes. Building a strong foundation here will make more complex topics much easier to tackle later on. Next, consistent practice is absolutely crucial. Management accounting is very application-based, so simply reading won't be enough. Solve as many problems as you can, from textbook exercises to past exams. Don't just look at the answers, truly understand the steps involved. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding and build your confidence for exams. Then, dedicate time to mastering specific techniques. Focus on areas like budgeting, standard costing, and variance analysis. Understand how to perform cost-volume profit analysis to predict profitability. Practice using relevant costing for short-term decisions. These are the practical tools you'll use, so ensure you can apply them accurately and efficiently. Finally, consistent review and application are essential for long-term retention. Regularly revisit all the topics you've covered, perhaps once a week. Try to connect different concepts, seeing how they fit into the overall framework of management accounting. Don't hesitate to discuss difficult areas with classmates or your instructor. This comprehensive approach will ensure you're well prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.